Solution. Students, understand this problem. The test figure of uniform chain Listen, students, take care. This problem. Let us suppose ACB. Let ACB be a chain of length 2s. Slides can slide on rough horizontal rod AB. R is reaction acting vertically at A horizontal force mu r at A, or we can say force mu r acting horizontally, and F is resultant of R and mu r. The string or chain ACB suspended between 2 points A and B and slide on a rough rod AB in the direction of AB, which is horizontally. The lambda is angle between R and F. Then angle of tangent at point A is psi A equals to pi by 2 minus lambda. Length S, length 2s. Length of string 2s equals to C tan psi A. Psi A means psi A equals to 90 minus lambda, 2c cot lambda, or 2c upon tan lambda, 2c upon mu, where mu equals to tan lambda. Right, students? And maximum span AB 2xa 2c log sec psi A plus tan psi A. X equals to AD, or we can say AB equals to 2AD, or simply AD equals to XA. We can write AB equals to XA, XA equals to C log sec psi a plus tan psi a by the relation 3 2c log sec psi a means pi by 2 minus lambda or 90 minus lambda, you can write by your choice, pi by 2 minus lambda 2c log cosec lambda plus cot lambda 2c log cot lambda cosec lambda means 1 plus cot square lambda or 2c log cot lambda we can write from mu equal to tan lambda is that 1 upon mu root 1 plus 1 upon mu square. On simplifying we get 2c log 1 plus root 1 plus mu square upon mu. AB ratio of maximum span to the length of chain equals to 2c log 1 plus root 1 plus mu square upon mu ratio 2c upon mu equals to mu log 1 plus root 1 plus mu square upon mu. Student, you can understand this question. First of all, we find out the length of the chain 2s. S means C times Ia, that is the intrinsic equation of common catenary at point A, S A, or you can write 2SA. 2C times Ia, angle of tangent psi equals to pi by 2 minus lambda or 90 minus lambda means cot lambda, mu equals to tan lambda. The 2S equals to 2C upon mu. Now, second maximum span of the catenary means AB. AB means 2 AD or AD means that is XA, 2 XA by the relation 3. XA, the value of XA, C log sec psi a plus tan psi a, putting the value of psi a, and sec pi by 2 minus lambda cosec lambda, or that is cot lambda. Cosec lambda you know, root 1 plus cot square lambda. Cot lambda means from mu equals to lambda, applying mu equals to tan lambda, cot lambda 1 upon mu, and simplifying, that is maximum span. Ratio, according to the question, ratio of maximum span to the length of chain is that, and dividing and simplifying with that. That is the required solution of this question. Students, thanks, and we meet next video.